Alright YouTube, so I know you guys read the title. I am racing an M3 today. We're down here in Mexico. Now he says this M3 is stock, but I know for sure it's not stock. There's no way a stock M3 is spitting out flames. Now I know I said I was going to make a video about all the modifications and stuff I have on my vehicle, but I just haven't had the time. But basically it's pretty much full bolt-on minus the tune. But here's some aerial shots and we'll get right into it.
Be on my trip.
This moment, I knew I fucked up. Oh no, but wait, I'm asking for more, as if the first time wasn't enough. So I would have got more footage for you guys, but unfortunately I hit a big ass fucking pothole and that pretty much ended my night.
Wow.
So this is like the fourth flat I caught in this fucking car, so if you guys want to catch me, you can catch me in my damn truck.